How to fix Half Sword is crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your library and right click on the game, open up the properties window, and in the launch options box you want to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you can close Steam, and then you will need to check if you have the latest GPU updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need to install the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software to get the latest updates. And once you've installed the latest available game-ready drivers for NVIDIA, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right-click on Steam and run as admin. And then you will need to launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.